Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. The recipe we're going to see today is for shredded chicken samosa. It's easy to prepare and it's quite quick too. Take your samosa leaves out of the freezer and leave it out to thaw. First put ginger garlic paste and salt in the chicken with little bit of water, like about 1/3 cup of water, and boil it. Once it's boiled, simmer for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the veggies. I've taken equal parts of potato and green peas. I've chopped the potato up into really tiny cubes, and I've taken frozen green peas. You can use fresh ones too. Chopping up the onions, the green chillies and the tomatoes. Soaking the coriander leaves in water for a while. The chicken is ready. The veggies are also almost ready. Now once the chicken has cooled down a bit, just shred it with your hand or with a fork. And don't discard the stock, it can be used for something else. Now take a pan, add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil each. Saute the onions and chilies until they are transparent. Add salt. Keep in mind that you've already added salt to the chicken. Add in the tomato and the chicken and then go the spice powders. Chili powder and coriander powder, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, about 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Use only if you have freshly roasted cumin powder, else just you can skip that, no problem. Once the raw smell goes, you can add in the veggies and then the chopped coriander leaves. Saute for a minute or more and that's it, the filling is done. Mix 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of water and make a paste. Now take out one thawed out samosa sheet and form a cone. Place it in your hand and fill it up. Now hold it in samosa's width and fold one corner at a time. The corner should be tightly wrapped. When there's no gap at the corners, the samosa will be a perfect triangle, number one. Number two, it will not retain much oil after frying. So make sure you keep your corners tight. You can use the maida paste to close the corners if they are open. If your samosa sheet is not yet fully ready, you can thaw it out by rubbing it between your palms. Now this remaining filling, you don't have to make it all samosas and freeze them. Fresh samosas taste really better than the ones stored in the freezer. So you can store the filling as such and make samosas when needed with it. That's it. Now fry in medium hot oil until you get the color you want and your samosas are ready. Next time you have leftover chicken, do try this. You don't have to always boil chicken and use it. You can use your leftover chicken to make this filling. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. And if this is the first time you're listening to me, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.